Hello, this is Loredana from Italy. Would you like cooking simple Italian dishes the way Italians do? Would you like enjoying food the way Italians do in their everyday life? Then come with me. I let you discover a vegetable side dish that makes everyone delighted. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare some verdure al forno con pan grattato or baked vegetables with bread crumbs. A simple and delicious side dish you can prepare with only few and basic ingredients you can easily find in your kitchen in your everyday life. You need some potatoes, onion, peppers, breadcrumbs, courgettes, and extra virgin olive oil. Here you are, all you need to do this simple side dish. And don't forget to put your oven at 200 degrees while preparing your vegetables. Now, come with me and start preparing it. After cleaning all the vegetables, you start cutting them. Sidewise or lengthwise, in this way, or in this way. They should be not so thin. Also potatoes, you should cut like this. And peppers, I like to cut them like this. Or if the pepper is too big, maybe, I cut them in half. Go ahead with all the ingredients. So now all the ingredients are cut, and then you can start putting all the vegetables in a baking tin, cover with a baking paper. So you make some layer with vegetables. You put like this. And then in each layer you put some olive oil and salt, quite a bit, because there are quite a lot of vegetables, so they should be savory. And then you put your breadcrumbs, also quite a bit too. And then you put another layer of vegetables. Again, you put some olive oil, some salt again, then breadcrumbs again, and last layer. Okay, you put last olive oil, then salt again, put breadcrumbs, and that's all. Our vegetables are ready to be put in the oven. You cover with foil and put in the oven at 200 degrees for about 45 minutes. Then take away the foil and put them in the oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes more to let them toast a bit. Well, now you put your baking tray covered with foil in the oven. Here we are. These are our vegetables. Here are your baked vegetables with breadcrumbs or verdure al forno con pan grattato. Did you like this recipe? Then follow me. I want to let you experience step by step all the simplicity of the Italian cuisine, for you to say, I know how to cook Italian. Make the secrets of the Italian way of cooking yours. Taste of Italy to all of you. Bye! Enjoy your meal!